Hello friends, today we are going to learn water pollution. This is very important chapter in terms of academic as well as competitive exams. Lot of questions asked in civil services, Indian Forest Services as well as competitive exams on this topic. Actually, this is very vast topic, so I will try to finish in 2 or 3 parts. So let's start with the basic term availability of water on earth. Out of 100% of water, 96.5% is in ocean, which is salty, not useful for drinking purpose. Only 2.5% fresh water. Out of this 2.5%, most of the water is in glacier form. Here you can see, out of this 2.5%, only 1.2% water, that is surface water or fresh water, is useful for drinking purpose. So we need to conserve water resources. We need to concern quality of water in human health and welfare as well as health of aquatic ecosystem. तो हमें यहाँ पे वाटर की क्वालिटी है जो ह्यूमन हेल्थ के हिसाब से तो देखना ही है, एज वेल एज एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम के भी हिसाब से देखना है. The water we are getting is not 100% pure water. This water is in contact with atmosphere, and atmosphere contain dissolved gases like O2, CO2, as well as the water we are getting, it contains minerals also. That means the water is not a 100% pure water. So what is water pollution? According to National Water Commission, water pollution is concerned to the addition of an excess constituent elements in water that are dangerous to humans, animals and aquatic life. Water pollution means water में जो constituent present है उसका proportion increase हो गया और जो water डेंजरस है ह्यूमंस के लिए, एनिमल्स एंड एक्वेटिक लाइफ के लिए, दैट वाटर इज कॉल्ड पोल्यूटेड वाटर, दैट इज नॉट यूजफुल फॉर द ड्रिंकिंग पर्पजेस एंड लाइफ ऑफ एक्वेटिक लाइफ ऑल्सो. फिर से सुनिए, वाटर पोल्यूशन इज कंसर्न टू द एडिशन ऑफ एन एक्सेस कंस्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट्स इन वाटर दैट आर डेंजरस टू ह्यूमंस, एनिमल्स एंड एक्वेटिक लाइफ. यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है, अगर जो एक्सेस कंस्टिट्यूएंट है, कंस्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट जो प्रेजेंट है, वो जो प्रमाण जो है उनका वो एक्सेस हो गया, इट्स क्रिएट ए वाटर पोल्यूशन. जैसे कि फ्लोरीन का जो परसेंटेज है वाटर में वो 1.5% से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. बिफोर गोइंग टू सी वाटर पोल्यूशन, first see what is National Water Commission. National Water Commission is a governing body in India to control water pollution. National Water Commission is established in 1973. This commission is responsible for implementation of national water policy. This National Water Commission is very important point in terms of competitive exams. Its symbols, its establishment, and what is the role of National Water Commission. Now, what are the common indicators of water pollution? How we can say the water is polluted? First thing, the taste of water. If it is unpleasant, then that water is polluted. Sometimes disgusting smell from lakes, rivers and beaches is coming, then that water is polluted. Unmonitored growth of aquatic weeds in water bodies, and there is decrease in number of fish in fresh water. That indicates that water is polluted, and in some of the areas there is oil and grease floating on water surfaces. These are the some common indicators of water pollution. So let's see classification of water pollutant. Organic pollutant, inorganic pollutant, pesticides, detergent, eutrophication, marine pollution, oil pollution, thermal pollution, radioactive material. These are the different classification of water pollutant. We will see one by one. Today we will see organic pollutant. The organic pollutant is mainly caused by naturally occurring organic compound or synthetic organic compound. First we will see what is naturally occurring organic compound. Naturally occurring compounds means proteins, fats and carbohydrates. These are the naturally occurring organic compounds. Major source of these compounds are, for example, for the carbohydrates, paper and pulp industry are the major source. For example, starch and cellulose. If these naturally occurring pollutant, these naturally occurring organic compounds are easily biodegraded by aerobic microorganism. They are biodegraded into simple compounds. But the next type of organic pollutant is synthetic organic compound like soap, detergent, dyes and agrochemicals. If you have taken the class of synthetic pollutant like agrochemical, the agriculture industry are the major sources. They throw their drainage into the water, for example DDT. These synthetic compounds are not easily biodegraded. They are resistant to microbial decomposition, and they require more amount of dissolved oxygen, and therefore the dissolved oxygen quantity goes on decreasing, and aquatic biota is greatly suffered due to this, and they require more quantity of oxygen to oxidize the given amount of organic compound, which is called biochemical oxygen demand, that is BOD. Here you can see the volume or quantity of oxygen required to oxidize the given amount of organic compound is called biochemical oxygen demand, और यू कैन से बायोलॉजिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड. मीन्स जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है उसको ऑक्सीडेशन के लिए जो ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायर है उसकी जो क्वांटिटी है दैट इज कॉल्ड BOD, बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड. And from the level of BOD you can say that water is polluted or not. Here you can see the level of BOD as it is goes on increasing from top to bottom. Here you can see the quality of water is goes on decreasing. Here for 6 to 9 the water quality is poor. For 1 to 2 the water quality is very good. That means there will not be much organic waste present. If the level of BOD is more, means it contains more amount of organic waste. In short, if you want to say, BOD is directly proportional to organic pollutant present in water. Means the value of BOD is more, means more amount of organic pollutant present in water, and that water is more polluted. मीन्स अगर BOD की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो ऑर्गेनिक पोल्यूटेंट वाटर में ज़्यादा है. हाउ दिस BOD इज कैलकुलेटेड? For the calculation of BOD, incubating sample of water for 5 days at 20 degrees centigrade. At the end of the period, the amount of oxygen has been consumed is taken as the BOD, and this BOD is expressed in milligrams of oxygen consumed per liter of sample. This is the method to calculate the BOD. From the exam point of view, we need to concentrate more on this chart, that is the BOD level and quality of water. In this way, today we learn what is water pollution, their resources, and first classification of water pollutant, that is organic pollutant. In the next video, we will study about pesticides and detergent. Thank you for watching this video.